Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. For our assignment, we choose Cosmos Technology International Berhad and we call it as CTIB. So CTIB is a Malaysian technology and engineering company that specializes in water, wastewater and industrial process management systems. So the company provides instrumentation products, fluid control solutions, smart water technologies, digital solutions and engineering services that support water infrastructure and industrial operations. So, the industry has shown the significant growth due to the increasing concerns about water scarcity, rapid urbanization, industrial development, and the growing demand for the sustainable water management solutions. In addition, the Malaysian government's water sector transformation 2040 initiatives creates more opportunities for companies such as CTIB. So in terms of the financial performance, CTIB has record like revenue in 2025 like 20.07 million compared to the 35.81 million in 2024 and 58.27 million in 2033. Although revenue decreased, this was mainly because the company discomposed of its manufacturing division and focused on the higher value businesses, particularly in water solutions and digital technologies. So despite the decline in revenue, profitability improved. So profit after tax increased slightly from 2.30 million to 2.33 million, while the gross profit margin increased from 27.58% to 34.79%, showing the better operational efficiency and cost management. For its market position, CTIB operates as a niche player in the Malaysian water technology industry. So, the company strengthens its competitiveness through the partnership with the international brands such as Siemens, HEDA, Axioma, AFC, and IFM, allowing to offer advanced smart water and automation solutions. In terms of the strategic posture, CTIB's mission is to provide integrated instrumentation products, customized software, digital technology, and engineering services for the water and industrial sectors. So the company adopts differentiation, industry specialization, and digital transformation strategies, including establishments of the Cosmos AI Tech to support future innovation and sustainable growth. Next, I will continue with corporate governance. So, the board of directors of CTIB consists of 5 members, including 1 executive director and 4 independent non-executive directors. So, the board is chaired by Dr. Zakaria bin Arshad as the independent non-executive chairman, while Datuk Chong Toh Hui serves as the managing director. So, this structure demonstrates the strong corporate governance because 80% of the board members are the independent directors. So the separation between the chairman and managing director also ensures the better transparency, accountability, and objective decision making. In terms of the expertise, the board members have diverse professional backgrounds, including engineering, water technology, finance, accounting, legal compliance, corporate leadership and industry management. So this diversity allows the board to evaluate the strategy opportunities from different perspectives and strengthen risk management practices. The board is also actively involved in strategic management. So their responsibilities include the company's strategic plans, monitoring business performance, managing risk, ensuring the good governance practices. So in the financial year in 2025, the board are conducting like 6 meetings demonstrating the strong commitment and active participation in corporate decision making. So furthermore, CTIB has established specialized committees including the audit and risk management committee, nomination committee, and remuneration committee. So these committees help to oversee the financial reporting, risk management, succession planning, remuneration policies, and which further strengthen the company's governance framework. So regarding to the top management, the leadership consists of experienced professionals in water technology and engineering, finance, and business development. However, the company is encouraged to strengthen the succession planning, digital transformation capabilities, and AI-related competencies to support future business growth. So overall, CTIB demonstrate the strong corporate governance through the high board independence, diverse expertise, active strategic involvement, and effective management practices, which support the company's long-term sustainability and competitiveness.
So now I will present for the external environment analysis. For the external environment analysis, we examine the opportunities and threats affecting Cosmos Technology International Berhad using the natural physical environment, pestle analysis, Porter's 5 forces, and EFAS matrix. From the analysis, we found that CTBI benefits from several external opportunities, including the growing demand for smart water management solutions, government infrastructure projects, sustainability initiative, and rapid digital transformation. The establishment of Cosmos AI Tech also positioned the company to take advantage of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and IoT. However, CTBI also faces several threats. These include strong competition from multinational companies, rapid technological changes, economic uncertainty, regulatory requirements, and cybersecurity risks. Based on the EFAS analysis, CTBI achieved a total weight or score of 3.825, indicating that the company is generally well positioned to respond to its external environment and capitalize on market opportunities. Overall, the external environment presents more opportunities than threats. Therefore, CTBI should continue investing in innovations, digital transformations, and smart water solutions while strengthening its competitiveness and risk management capabilities to support sustainable growth. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Next, I will present the internal environment analysis of Cosmos Technology International Berhad. First, Cosmos Technology International Berhad adopts a hybrid diversional structure where strategic decisions are centralized at the holding company level, while daily operations are managed by its subsidiaries, namely Cosmos Entrustment and Cosmos AI Teach. This structure improves specialization and operational efficiency. Second, Cosmos Technology International Berhad has a strong corporate culture that emphasizes innovation, customer satisfaction, sustainability, and digital transformation. This culture supports the company's long-term growth strategy. Third, in terms of corporate resource, Cosmos Technology International Berhad possesses strong expertise in water technology, automation, engineering service, and AI solution. The company also benefits from strategic partnership with global technology providers such as Siemens and IFM. The company's strengths include strong industry specialization, technical expertise, strategic partnership, and effective corporate governance. However, weaknesses included limited international presence, dependence on key management personnel, and a relatively small organizational structure. Based on the EFAS analysis, Cosmos Technology International Berhad's strength outweigh its weaknesses. Its core competencies lie in water management solution, automation, and digital technologies, while its distinctive competency is its ability to provide integrated and customized water technology solutions supported by AI and engineering expertise. Overall, Cosmos Technology International Berhad has a strong internal foundation that supports its competitiveness and future growth.
Good day, Dr. AIDANAZIMA and friends. Today I will present the strategic core of our audit on Cosmos Technology International Berhad, specifically focusing on our analysis of strategy alternative and our final recommended strategy, SFAS, and key strategy issues for Section 5.0. Our situational analysis yielded an impressive strategic factor analysis, or SFAS, score of 3.825. This indicates CTIB is in an excellent posture powered by its robust Siemens partnership and unmatched domain expertise. However, to sustain long-term competitiveness, CTIB must resolve 4 critical issues: driving AI and digital integration to match smart city mandate, expanding beyond a heavily concentrated Malaysian market, differentiating against aggressive multinational giants, and formalizing ESG policies to secure public tenders. Moving to section 6.0, we evaluated 3 distinct strategic paths against 7 qualitative and quantitative metrics. Alternative 1, a low risk but low growth stability strategy. Alternative 2, an aggressive technology first AI-driven smart water solution strategy. And alternative 3, direct regional action market expansion in our comparative evaluation metric. The AI-driven smart water strategy emerged as the clear winner, scoring 29 out of 35 points due to its high growth potential and perfect alignment with ESG and utility modernization trends. We recommend that CTIB systematically integrates AI, machine learning, and IoT across its portfolio, shifting its business model from low-margin hardware trading to high-margin predictive digital solution. We justify this via a targeted 2.45 million budget, establishing a dedicated Cosmos AI Tech division. This will deepen CTIB's distinctive core competency, creating massive client switching costs through proprietary data analytics. This strategy pivot will successfully transition CTIB from a localized engineering firm to a dominant technology-driven infrastructure leader in South Asia.
Hello, my name is Travanjit, and I will present part 7, which is the implementation of the AI-driven smart water solution strategy. CTIB will implement 4 key programs, namely AI smart water platform development, workforce capability development, strategy marketing, and cybersecurity enhancement. The estimated investment is 2.45 million, with the largest allocation dedicated to AI platform development. The implementation will be carried out over 3 years, starting with system development and testing, followed by commercialization and market expansion. Key risks include cybersecurity threats, talent shortage, and technology failures. Therefore, continuous monitoring and risk management are essential to ensure successful implementation. Next, I will present part 8, which is evaluation and control. CTIB will evaluate the effectiveness of the strategy using several key performance indicators, including revenue growth, customer satisfaction, customer acquisition, and employee training completion rate. Real-time information systems and benchmarking practice will be used to monitor performance and compare results with industry standards. In addition, a balanced scorecard approach will be measure performance from financial, customer, internal process, and learning's perspective. Corrective action will be taken whenever performance fall below the targeted objectives. Thank you.